Hey everyone! If you're looking for an easy and effective way to keep your teeth and gums healthy, today's review is for you. Meet the Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser, WP660, a powerful dental care tool that's ADA approved and designed for multiple users. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Now, let's talk about what makes the Waterpik Aquarius stand out. 10 adjustable pressure settings, from gentle cleaning to deep flossing, perfect for sensitive gums and braces. 7 tips for multiple users, includes classic, orthodontic, plaque seeker, and even a tongue cleaner. 600 milliliters water reservoir, provides 90 seconds of flossing time, so no need to refill mid-use. Pulsating water technology, cleans deep between teeth and below the gum line, removing up to 99.9% of plaque. Right out of the box, you get the main Waterpik unit, 7 different tips for various needs, and a 10-setting pressure control. The design is sleek, and it's compact enough to fit on your bathroom counter without taking up too much space. Let's test it out. Demonstrates using it with different pressure settings. Wow, it feels powerful yet gentle. And unlike string floss, there's no gum irritation. So, is the Waterpik Aquarius worth it? Here are the pros and cons. Pros. Checkmark ADA accepted, clinically proven to be more effective than string floss. Checkmark great for braces, implants, and sensitive gums. Checkmark easy to use, with multiple pressure settings. Checkmark large water tank for uninterrupted flossing. Cons. Warning slightly noisy at higher pressure levels. Warning needs a power outlet, so it's not portable. Overall, the Waterpik Aquarius WP660 is a game changer for dental care. Whether you have braces, implants, or just want a cleaner, healthier mouth, this flosser is worth checking out. If you're interested, I've linked it below. Grab yours today and give your teeth the care they deserve. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome reviews. See you in the next video. Please see the video and details know our related products. Product order link or first comment. Best of luck.